guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a Mecca haul. I'm so excited because I have a huge bag of stuff to show you guys. I just finished work. Sorry, I'll stop making noise now, but I just finished work, so my face is like half done, half not done. I should have probably reapplied my lips, but can't be bothered, so we're just gonna go without the lips. But yeah, I had a nice shift. It was good to be back. I was so sick for ages, literally almost a month. I couldn't even work, so I was glad to be back today. And I bought two things which inspired me to do this haul, because I was like, I've already got my face on, I look presentable, my room not so much, but everything is ready for me to film. So I'm just gonna get ahead and start with this video. First thing I picked up today is this. So excited. This is the Glow Recipe Plumping Power Duo, both full-size products, and it's the hyaluronic serum, the Plum Plump, and then the Plum Plump hyaluronic cream. And I freaking love Glow Recipe, you guys. I've only had maybe like 2 or 3 of their products, but I've been obsessed with everything. And just the fact that these two were full size, my discount covered it, they're beautiful. I was trying to not buy as much skincare because I'm trying to finish up a few things that I have, but I just couldn't resist. So I'm just gonna leave this here because I don't want to keep using them. I don't want to start using them just yet. I want to finish a few products, but I'm just going to leave it back there. By the way, you guys, I haven't been on YouTube for a while, but I dyed my hair. I'm back to dark hair, and I also got my septum pierced. So, and I got my nails done. Isn't that the cutest? I'm just like living it up. Not really, but oh my god, I'm so glad to be filming a video. It's been ages. Okay, moving on to the haul. I got another one of the Morphe mini continuous setting mist. I've gone through a shit ton of these. I just love it. It's the most amazing affordable setting mist. I really enjoy it. Sorry, I've randomly thrown this in here, but I bought the MCO Beauty Lip Oil Hydrating Treatment in the color She Rose. And I just wanted to see what the hype was about this stuff. Since I'm filming, I'm just going to put it on now. What do you reckon? I got this from, I think it was Woolworths. It was on sale for maybe like $8. Ooh. Okay. Ooh. Oh my god. That's so cute. I love the color. It's like a baby pink. Okay, you guys, MCO Beauty, She Rose. Oh my god, that's so cute. Okay, well, that's a newbie that I got. I bought this viral TikTok blush. This is the Too Faced Cloud Crush blush in Candy Clouds. This color has been sold out of my store since they were released, and I picked up one of the last few ones that we had because I really wanted this to be my birthday blush. Look at the packaging, it's so beautiful, and this is the color. It's that very blue based baby pink, and this was so beautiful on the cheeks. I wore it on my birthday, and I think I stayed out till like 5 AM 4 AM, and the color was stunning on the cheek. And yeah, I just thought it was such a great blush. The formula was nice, but I just have so much blush, I don't need any more, so I'm not going to buy any more from the line. bought myself a new perfume. This is the Ellis Brooklyn Florist perfume. I fell in love with this perfume when it came out, and it was my birthday scent as well. And I just think it is the most sexy floral. It's not like a, how do I explain it? It's not like a baby floral, like a Marc Jacobs. It's much more stronger. Every time I wear this perfume, I shit you not, I get so much compliments on it and how amazing I smell, and the packaging is just to die for. Like, that is beautiful. So this was my birthday scent, and since then I've been wearing it non-stop and I freaking love it. It's my first Ellis Brooklyn perfume. I love Myth, but I've just never purchased it in store. But I do love this one, and I really don't need any more perfumes, but I just had to have that. I bought 3 Kevyn Aucoin lip liners. I'm not a big Kevyn Aucoin gal, but I was swatching them because I noticed we had a lot of them in stock, and I was like, oh, let me just see what the hype is about. Not that there's a lot of hype around them. I feel like they're very underrated, but oh my god, I fell in love with these lip liners. So each one has its own sharpener that it comes with, which is amazing. Where is it? I used it this morning. So you get 3 little Kevyn Aucoin sharpeners. So these are the 3 shades that I got. So this is the darkest brown. And I like it because it's a very deep brown, but it's not like overly warm. It's kind of like just a really nice brown. I can't explain it, but this is in the shade Pure. I then got Minimal, and this was like the mauvey pink. Yeah, this is stunning. And that's that one. And then the one I was wearing today, which is probably gone now, is Carnal. And this is like Max Spice. So these are just the colors that I love wearing. I love that like spicy brownie pink shade, and this is the one that I really enjoy. Again, it's Carnal, and on the end it comes with a little brush, but like, who uses those, right? So got those. I will show you this just to get it out of the way. I used it this morning. This is the Morphe Supreme Brow 5-piece Artist Brow Kit. I got mine in the shade Mocha. Comes with a pencil, pomade. I mainly wanted it for this, but I also needed a new pencil. It comes with the new soap brow, and then also the powder, and then the little spoolie brush for it. I'll just show you because the powder's right in front of me, but it's this color. So I noticed the pencil was a bit warmer than my eyebrows, but I can't really tell. I mean, I can still get away with it. So got that. And then I'll show you guys some Gratis that we received. We all, I think it was our team meeting, we all got gifted Emma Lewisham skincare. This is a new brand that we've stocked in Mecca, and I'm in love. Like, I really enjoy these products. I did not need to buy skincare today, but I felt like because these were free products, I needed to just buy something to get it out of my system. It's called a sickness. That's what I have. Yes. So this is the Skin Reset Face Serum. The packaging is so luxe, like so cute, and then you pump it up. This is a really beautiful serum. I've only used it maybe 3 times. I was just trying to save everything for the haul, but I did really enjoy it, and the packaging is so cute. Like, it's purple and pink. Love it. They then gave us the Supernatural Face Cream, which is again like the same type of packaging. This is 72-hour hydration, and it's made in New Zealand. And it's like a really nice thick face cream. And these were all gifted. I was so happy. And then the next item is the Supernatural Face Oil. And this packaging is so cool. and it comes with like the glass dropper, and you got the button up the top to kind of drop the product. So very luxe, very nice, very cute. Like the color is stunning. Oh, I can't wait to reorganize my makeup after this video. Now I can finally just put everything away and like reorganize. I got me a Morphe eyeshadow palette. It's been ages since I bought an eyeshadow palette, and to be honest, I've probably owned this one for about 4 months now and I still have not used it, which I should have never bought it, but it's beautiful and I couldn't resist. And it's kind of unlike anything that I've ever had, kind of. So this is the Morphe Midnight Dune palette, and you know what it reminded me of? The Colourpop Going Coconuts palette. I haven't placed a coconut. I haven't placed a Colourpop order in years now, so didn't feel like just ordering for one palette, so I just bought this one. It was the closest thing I could get, and I'm excited to try it. Maybe I'll do like a get ready with me using new products. I took so much shit. I always say I'm going to film videos and I never do, so don't hold me against it, but that would be a nice video to film. I then bought 2 of these delicious Hourglass lip glosses. These are so underrated. These are the High Shine Volumizing Lip Gloss. I got it in the shade Sublime and Truth. You guys, nobody talks about these glosses. I don't know why, but they are so beautiful. I know they look the same, but I promise you one is darker, one is lighter. So I'm just going to swatch them. They are so glossy, so like highly pigmented. You don't even need anything underneath it. Like you just kind of put this on by itself. And these are the colors. Just look at that shine and the pigment on them. Stunning. So the lighter pink on the left is Sublime, and the darker pinky brownie one is called Truth, and they would look so beautiful matched with the lip liners that I got, and I'm super excited to use those. I then got the viral Nars liquid blush. As soon as I saw that these were going out of discontinued and they're bringing out new ones, I bought this packaging just so I didn't have to give it up or like never see it again. I have used it once. I mean, it's okay. I don't see the freaking hype. It's nice, but I just feel like TikTok blows everything out of, like, what's the word I'm looking for? It just blows up everything. That's not even wow. All you gotta do is just go on TikTok and be like, this blush is so good, and then like 300 people will be talking about it for the next like 3 months. It's okay. Like, I prefer other ones. It's nice, but I don't really have a lot to say about it. It's okay, I guess. Moving on, I got one of the new Morphe Soulmate lip liners. I don't know why I got this. I haven't even used it. It's just like a I got it in the shade Other Half, which is a very nice like brown, but do I really need another lip liner? Not really. But see what I mean? How that one's like brown and that one's like red brown. It's not focusing. But yeah, the Morphe one was the red brown. And that's what I'm finding with a lot of brown lip liners, is that they're red browns, not like brown browns. So, but I still like that one. It's cute. Love all these swatches. And then the last few things are just going to be like random ass stuff. These 2 I picked up from Sephora, but I've just popped them in here because I'm not going to do a Sephora haul for 3 things. I got these Soft Pinch tinted lip oils. I got 2 of the most viral colors, Honesty and Hope. So the baby pink and then the brown. And I can't can't believe I have these and I forgot about them. Wow. So these are the two that I have. I'm going to go ahead and swatch them. I don't know how good it's going to show. Oh yeah. But this is another product, right? I used it and I don't think it's that good. Like, I don't know. I love Selena Gomez and I will buy everything and anything she releases. So that's hope and honesty. But I don't think they are as amazing as everyone made it seem like the first few days when they were released. When this fades, it fades to nothing. Like, and it doesn't even stay on that long. And I don't understand the oil aspect of it, because to me, it's not even like close to an oil. This is an oil. This shine is an oil. When I put this on, it's nothing. Like, can I see if I can put it on top? Well, that's going to be pointless, but I'll just show you. There's no oil to it. It's literally just like, it feels, how do I explain it? It feels like you're putting water on your lips, but it tastes really weird. And I don't know how to explain it. I don't think it's worth the hype of how hyped up it was on TikTok, but it's okay. Like, it's fine. And then I got my birthday gift. This is the Milk Makeup birthday gift this year. Comes with the Deluxe Hydro Grip Primer and then the mascara. So I'll show you guys how small and cute they are. So this is your primer and this is your mascara. And I love trying out new mascaras, so I'm excited to give this one a go. Oh, look how baby cute this is. And I'll just show you the difference between this and then the travel size one. So this is travel and this is the birthday gift. So it's a good decent size. And then the last few things were all free from work, just as gratis. This is the Urban Decay Lip Bond. These have just been newly released. This is the Unbreakable Liquid Lip Color. This is in the color No Restraints. It's a bit bolder than what I like to wear, but it was free. I thought it would be a nice way to just try. It's a purple color. I'm not going to swatch it because once you put these on, they're not going anywhere. So, got that. And then the lucky last thing, or the lucky few last things that I have, this is the YSL Pure Shots. This was given to me at work, but to be honest, I've never seen it, so I'm not too sure what it is or what it's supposed to do. It says it's a serum, but we don't even stock YSL serum, so I'm not sure how old this product is. When I mean old, I mean like, when did we stop restocking YSL skincare, or, you know, I've just never seen it before. It was brand new, it's never been used. But yeah, I'm just not sure when we ever stocked it, so I'll have to do some research and see. But this was nice. I then got a bunch of free brushes that have never been used. It's the Too Faced line, and this was quite cute. It was like tied up and it was just got a lot of dust because it was chucked in the bag. But they just gave me all the Too Faced eye brushes. I love new brushes, so that'll be good to add. And that's it, you guys. The rest is just little sharpeners and stuff, random little lipsticks that I'll give away to my mum. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm so sorry if it was rushed in any way. It probably was, but I'm just trying to get through all of the stuff that I had. Please look at the mess on my table. Look. Look at all this crap I need to put away. But yeah, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more Mecca hauls. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!